Good morning, applicant. How are you?
I'm Hi ma'am, good morning. I'm fine, thank you.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
Yes, I'm Mary Joyce Ann Lopez. I'm 31 years old. I'm single. I have five siblings. I am of the member of the family. My mother is housewife and my father is a vendor in the market.
Do you have a work experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 years working experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper
Why do you intend to work abroad?
because it, because for my family.
How was your experience in your previous employer?
I have good experience in my previous employers because we're kind and we're good.
As
Ito,
domestic helper,
as the,
what are your main duties and responsibilities?
my main duties is take care of the house, of course, and take care of the baby as well.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
Like washing machine, microwave, uh, oven, toaster, any kind I operate, ma'am.
How can you take good care of young children or baby?
First of all, we make sure that the baby is clean all the time and we play all the time for her good experience as a young child.
Will you pinch or hit them if they are naughty?
No, ma'am.
Can you tell me possible reasons why the baby cries?
The possible reason why the baby cry, first of all, is when she's not sleeping well, she have sick or she have lonely as well. That's why.
If your employer's child or baby is not feeling well, what will you do?
First of all, I observe. Then when I observe, I will call her parents or my employer to tell them that the baby is sick.
How can you manage the household chores and the baby?
I will manage the household chores while the baby is sleeping. I will do my work as well as a domestic helper.
How can you handle homesickness?
I handle my homesickness while I'm finish my work or I'm on my day off. I will call my family to take to have for my sickness problem.
What is your final message to your prospective employer?
My final message to my prospective employers is I will promise that I will be good and kind helper to her and her family. Thank you.